Staying with us on Mirror now, we start with some breaking news that is coming in on the broadcast. IIT Bombay student suicide case. The CJI has said, and of course, suicide amongst marginalized sections is increasing. CJI noted most students were, I beg your pardon, most students who die of suicide are either Dalits or Adivasis. The top court takes note of IIT Bombay student suicide case. My colleague Harish is joining us on the phone line to give us more details on this. Harish, now the IIT Bombay student suicide case has reached the Supreme Court and the CJI has given out a massive remark by saying that suicide among marginalized sections is increasing, and he also noted that most of the students who have died of suicide are either Dalits or Adivasi. So what exactly the top court has said as what needs to be done further from this?
Yes, in fact, it should not be deemed as a statement from the top court because it was the Chief Justice of India speaking at a seminar, at a function in, I think, Telangana. And he has, in fact, said that not acting on incidents of abuse and bullying, not providing support system, ending fellowships, normalizing stereotypes through jokes are some of the basic things which every educational institution must stop. And he, as you rightly said, he has expressed concern over incidents of suicides among students from marginalized sections increasing. And he has said, and I quote him, these are not just mere statistics, but these are stories of centuries of struggle. If you wish to address this issue, you have to recognize and address this problem. And he also went on to say that Professor Sukhdev Thorat had noted that most of the students who died of suicide has been Dalits and the Adivasis, and that it then shows a pattern which we must question. And she also went on to say that I am speaking on this because the issue of discrimination is directly linked with lack of empathy. Judges cannot shy away from social realities, and instances of judicial dialogue is common across the globe. When the Black Lives Matter movement emerged after the murder of George Floyd, all 9 judges of the U.S. Supreme Court released a joint statement to the judiciary and putting out a list of marks obtained along with social categories, asking for marks of Dalits and Adivasi students publicly to humiliate them. So these are some of the issues highlighted by the Chief Justice. And as I earlier said, he has expressed deep concerns over authorities of education institutions and prestigious colleges not acting on incidents of abuse and bullying, not providing support system, ending fellowships, normalizing stereotypes through jokes. And he has highlighted these issues as some of the basic things which every educational institution must stop. Back to you.
Right, Harish, thank you for giving us those details on that story. We now shift our